What's up? How's it going, everyone? Who we got in here? We got Silver's in the house, XRP Army. I appreciate that. Muffin Man. It's the only thing happening with LCX today. Yeah, we got it up on the screen. I'm going to sit here and wait for some more people to get in here. I only see one person here. Sub GE. But yeah, it appears LCX is going to the moon. Exactly what we wanted to see on this thing. Broke the structure, the downward structure, and she's moving. Doesn't look bad at all right now. Yeah, we got a sea of green today on the crypto bubbles. Are we back? Jasmine's moving. Yeah, it looks extremely well right now. Huge move. But yeah, that's what we wanted to see. We wanted to see it break this high here, and she's running. Yeah. What's up, Cha? Let's go to the moon, he says. We're still waiting for some more people to come in. We only got 8 people here. No one on Twitter. No one on Rumble. Come on, we're in a sea of green today on the crypto bubbles. Where's everyone at? But I see other people are streaming too, so people are other places also. Yeah, let me go ahead and... Yeah, LCX is pumping. What's up, Louise? How you doing? But yeah, sea of green here. ALB looking good. You don't want to get put in timeout. Smash the like button, he says. What's up, dog? A-Dog's in the house. What's up, Eldor? GFI. Yeah, it seems to be a lot of things are pumping today. Let's see. GFI. Is GFI moving? No, GFI ain't doing anything yet. I imagine once it breaks the downtrend here, breaks over the 0.5 and gets moving, it's going to have a large candle spawn in. Only a matter of time. But this one's lagging big time. GFI is not doing anything. Wells are about to enter. 500k market cap. Boys on SUI. What's up, Manny? Shaw, how's ACH and XYO? PNG still sitting there. Wait, what did you say? Oh, ACH and XYO. Where's XYO at? Steam. Yeah, XYO is still in the same spot. It's not doing anything. Got stuck at the 382, and now it's just kind of sitting here. Hasn't really moved much from the last time we looked at it. Over the 236, so it's still bullish over 85. Let's see. But you said how high is LCX going to go? No idea, but we do have a couple of targets here. If you think X or LCX is going to hit $1 billion market cap, $1.60, and after the pump, a little over a 5x now. I don't know where you guys think this thing can end up. 3.6 billion market cap would give you an 8x to 250. Decent run on this thing right now. But we've been saying that. The bottom was put in, high to the low, or low to the high. It hit the 618 on the macro, and back over the 382. Time to go up, and that's what she's doing. ACH, what is ACH doing? ACH looks good here. It's over the 382. It's bullish over 27 here. Next big stop up is 4. Let's see here. Yeah, and it's above the 0.5 also, so it's above double support here. So you should hold. It looks good here. Loading a 46% candle. Yeah, LCX is pumping right now. ASM, what's a good entry for ASM? I'll go look. Eldor for 5 says SPA. All right, we'll have to go look at SPA here. It's been a minute since we looked at SPA. At least a week or two. Oh yeah, SPA's moving too. Yeah, another one off of the formation we've been watching here. The bottom, the consolidation, and took off. I expect GFI is going to do the same thing at some point. But yeah, this one looks good here. It's trying to get stuck at the 382. But it officially woke up. The bottom is in. And yeah, it's just above the 618 here, so that's good. At 14.7, you're at 15. So as long as you stay above that, it should push through the 382 hopefully. If not, it's going to pull back, but decent little run. Nice move on these things right now. And then SPA, what do we have on SPA here? Yeah, initially though, if you just look at the chart here, it's been doing nothing forever. So it's going to break out at some point and go to the moon. And SPA to a 786 retracement, to 6x, 6.5x to 9, 7, 10 pennies. And then a new high on SPA, if it can hit $1 billion market cap, is about 80 cents. 51x. That's a huge move. Let's see. Just making sure we had the right screen on. But yeah, SPA here just needs to push through the 382. It looks real good right now. I don't know what your target is for it. $3x up to the 618 at 4.6, 4.5. Appreciate the 5. You think PNG will get over 30 today? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Damn, I'm getting way behind on the chat. What am I missing? Yeah, good to see you guys making some money on these things. We got Charlie, welcome back. Undead, could you look at Elliot, please? What is Elliot? Meme coin? Let's see here. Elliot, what is Elliot? I'll probably notice it when it pops up. Oh yeah, this one. Elliot on base. Yeah, what is she doing? Did it move up from the last time we looked at it? It looks like it did. Yeah, it's above the next level we pointed out at 1.5, sitting right on it for support. So apparently this stuff is working, huh? On meme coins. So when people say you can't TA a meme coin, I differ from that. We'll just show them Elliot. All right, we'll leave this here for another candle to spawn in, or a couple of candles. But yeah, Elliot looks good here. It's over support at 0015. The next potential target is 009 and another 6x on this thing. But it doesn't seem to go straight up. It's just kind of a slow runner, it looks like. And on the smaller, you can see it's right over the 1618 support. So the next potential stop could be even smaller. It could be another 100% candle spawning in here, or that 6x candle, or a couple of candles. You get the idea. But yeah, it's in a real good spot right now. It looks good. Yeah, I think we've looked at boys on SUI before. Boys Club. You said it's new. This one here, 4 days old. Boys on SUI. I appreciate the 2. He says who wants 100 to 1000x meme coin. Yeah, let's see who's in here. Yeah, 25 people in here. How's everyone doing? Ticker is boys. What's up, Chris? All right, yeah, this is it. She's curling up right now. Oh, is this the one you mentioned that was still hadn't launched yet? No, it launched. There's no wick up there, so we're just gonna go with what we have. Yeah, she's curled up here. She needs to get over 6.6 to confirm the bottom, and then 7.8 to be bullish. Is this what you're saying is 1000x, 100 to 1000x? Oh, the wrong thing. Come on now. Oh. Wait, I have this wrong. What am I doing? There we go. All right. 7.1, the bottom is in, and 8.7, you're bullish. I don't know why I had that in the wrong spot. Yeah, when this one runs again, a 200% move, 3x, up to 1.8. We'll leave this here to see if we spawn in a giant candle. And then let's see, what do we have here? An 8x. But yeah, I mean, what are you gonna do? It's a meme coin, but Boys Club on SUI. Yeah, I keep seeing people make money on these things. So many good plays out there. What's up, April? Yeah, LCX is pumping right now. T13, can you do Gorpo? What is Gorpo? I don't know what that is. What's up, D Crypto? Boxy, how's it going? Can you look at Floki? You talking about the regular Brett? Damn. Yeah, let's go back over to Trading View. All right, we're back on Trading View. He says, are people going to start selling their LCX now that it's pumping? Yeah, ASM's in a real good spot here. It's in our falling wedge pattern, bull flag pattern over the 382. And it's making, if we go smaller time frames here, it's starting to curl up here at the end of it. As you can see, this is the same thing we saw on, what was it? The same thing I saw on Bitcoin, and the same thing we saw on DGen. As soon as they're in these patterns and they start holding up here and curling up like this, you can see high to the low. It's over the 236 at 3.1. Once it breaks over 3.3, it's going to go. So another one here that's going to spike up very soon. Yeah, we said the same. We didn't say the massive move on LCX, but I said we were bullish now. But, you know, we are in a bull market to some degree. But yeah, you may get a good spike up of about 38% soon on ASM. Yeah, it looks good here. Well, I don't remember what else we were trying to look at. ASM. This Clover's still good. Floki. Let's see, what is Floki doing? Yeah, Floki's just kind of still just sitting here. Making a lower high. Not the best looking. It's probably getting stuck right at the 786. Yep. I'll zoom it in here. Yes, hide. There you go. But yeah, Floki here, high to the low. Hit the 786, smacked right into it, and it's above the 618. So your support is 2.1, and once you break 2.6 and start moving, you have to break the high back here at 3.4. Once you do that, it'll probably have a giant candle spawning in like LCX does. But that's what you got to look for. The structure here has to be broken. But once you accomplish that, it's off to the races, more likely than not. So over the macro 786 on Floki. Yeah, over the 236 low to the high there. Let's see here. Why is everyone sleeping on STX Stronghold? Yeah, I just covered Stronghold on the channel. There's not many left that haven't curled up and started moving now. Wait, did you say STX or SHX? I don't even know now. STX. Yeah, that's what I was on. Yeah, another one that's moving. Held the trend. It's curled up. Higher lows. And high to the low on this one is over the 0.5. So once you get over 235, that's your breakout point. Up to almost $3. Yeah, but Stacks is an older one, ain't it? Hold on, I gotta check we got Charlie again for 2. Could we update Bonk on base and Goat with hat? Yes, we can. Let me go over there. We're gonna go back over to Deck Screener for Charlie there. I just saw SUKU doing something. No, it's in the same spot. High to the low, hit the 0.5, and it's just kind of sitting here now. It hasn't moved since the last time we looked at it at all. It's over the 236s here, so the bottom is in macro and short term, and it's bullish over 9.6, but it's no longer bullish. But the bottom is in. But we're seeing that on a lot of things where there's a curl up and then a good spike. All right, we got to go over to Deck Screener. And you said Goat with hat. Goat with hat. Is that on base also? Yeah, she's still sitting here. Let me zoom this in so I can see it. Still holding the support level that it's holding. Right at the 0.5 at 325. You're at 4.2. And it's getting stuck right now at the 618. So it needs to get over 4.6 to pump back up. But just to pull back, it held support. It held the 382 twice, and it's back above. It looks good here. It moved up a little since the last time we looked at it. And now to the new high once this thing starts to run again. Not bad. That's an 8x. But she's holding up well. Especially, I like the look of these wicks here. What'd you say, bonk? The blue bonks. Like all these plays. Oh, she's bullish this time, or she was getting stuck right at it. But she's over one. You're officially now. Another one curling up here. So let's get this thing to do a 5x up to the 786. And then the new high on this one, if you're going to hold, not a bad move. A 35x 038. Bonk. Long case. I appreciate the 2 again. Yeah, out for a moment there. Yeah, we're glitching out here. I don't know. I imagine you guys can still hear it, but the screen going blank. What's happening? Come on now. All right, I think 5. Counter's still moving. Mouse. On base. Yeah, when you guys say stuff like that, I have no idea what you're talking about. I'm going to share the other screen because I don't know what's going on with this. On my end, it looks all messed up. We got 37 people in here. How's everyone doing? What's up, Flip Coins? How's it going? Arrow Bud. He says AMP is flying. Let's see. Oh yeah, AMP looks bullish right now. Everyone's piling into AMP. Same formation, same structure, and it's going now. But yeah, AMP looks good here. Let's see where it's going to get stuck at. Oh, it's above the 382. So as long as you're above 5.7, you're short term. You could say short term, but you can also say long term because these are weekly candles. But it looks good here. As long as you stay above that, the next big stop is 7.8. But there's no wick on the top of this candle. It's just going. So just a rough another 20% to your next resistance. Yeah. What's up, Rep? GFI's looking good. Yeah, we looked at GFI earlier. It's not doing anything. It's pumping back up to the downtrend line, but other than that, it needs to break out. I mentioned earlier, once it finally does break the downtrend, just like we've seen in the past, it'll probably have a giant little candle spawn in. Once it finally breaks the downtrend here. Right now it's getting stuck at the 0.5 at 179. But yeah, that could have been it. Bounced off the 3-2. Now it's time to break the downtrend and go up. Yeah. Over a 70% move, loading possibly. If it gets over this 180, 179, 180 level, maybe that's the point you break out. What other tools do you use on TradingView? Pretty much what we use every day here. That's it. Everything tells you the same thing. Nothing. It's just whatever you're comfortable with. I'm comfortable with the support, resistance, and the fibs. And the few patterns we use. And it seems to be working out, so why change something that works? Yeah, we see a lot of the regular coins pumping. Is there any gamble coins pumping? Anything at all? Yeah, I don't know what this world thing is. It doesn't exist. Yeah, I saw that Peanut is still moving up. The one they listed on crypto.com and everywhere else. It had a nice little spike up on your Billy here. But it came back down. That's sad. Billy. What are we doing here? High. Yeah, ultimately you got it back above the 382, so you're back over 4.3, so it's bullish again here. And just short term here. Let's see. Yeah, low to the high, it hit the 618. I don't know if we pointed that out last time. 618 bounce right below the 382. So once it gets back over this 382 and gets over 5.6, it'd be bullish again, but it is macro bullish if you want to call it macro here. But Billy's still good for what, a 9x, 9.5x. So next leg up, time to make a higher high. It's holding higher lows, higher highs. Maybe the 786 is the next target up to 12. Yeah, this thing's lagging. Everything's lagging for some reason. My screen keeps going in and out, and you guys' chats just keep popping up like 4 or 5 at a time out of nowhere. What's up, metal detecting? XCN is running, is it? What's up, Christopher? Thanks for the videos. I got some great positions on XCN, Fort, and ALGO because of you. I didn't do anything. You did it. You're the winner. I did nothing. I appreciate the words, though. Turbo, yeah. We got CDT for 5. Well, I should have read that before I put it up on the screen. I'm gonna get banned. Would you review VARA network? Looks like it's ready to run again after consolidation. Yeah, we can look at VARA. I think we look at VARA in every live stream. We got flip coins for the $5 super sticker. I appreciate that. Appreciate the support. Hopefully your coins go to the moon for you, flip coins. I want you to get rich. Yeah, we can go look at VARA. I appreciate the 5 there. Welcome in. I don't think you've been here before. VARA. get trusty old trading view back up if it's going to work. Yeah, I'm hoping the bottom is in on VAR, but I can't be bullish on it yet. Yeah, I got to keep checking to make sure you guys are on the right page, or I'm on the right page. But yeah, we looked at this yesterday. It needs to get over the 236 here at 3.1, and then I'll be somewhat happy for it, I guess. I want it to go up. I want guys that own it to make money finally, but low to the high, you're just over the 0.5. So once you get over 2.6, you're bullish, and that should send the price back up. But ultimately, if you just look right here, it's just getting stuck at the same area. If we were to just draw just a simple line on the chart that we could actually see. Let's see. But yeah, it's still stuck at this area. So yeah, it's consolidating right here, especially if you go down to the smaller time frames, as you can see clearly. So if it can hold here, maybe it's going to run up again. Not the best looking, but the run up, kind of like it did back here, that's a lot better, prettier. You know, a pullback, a bull flag, whatever you want to call this. Could be the same thing here, and it's about to move up again. But yeah, other than that, I just want to see it get over 3. Damn, I didn't mean to do that. Get back to where we can see the thing. But yeah, the next push up, it needs to get over the 3.1 area. It needs to get over the 2.36. And then I'll be happy for it a little bit. But if that was the bottom on Vara, and we don't have to redo the chart, 786 retracement, 107 million market cap, 17 pennies is a 6.5, almost a 7x. And then the 1272, if this thing's going to hit a new high, a 30x up to 475 million market cap to 75 cents here. Yeah, I can't copy that address. I wish I could. Gorpo World. What's up, Fear and Loathing? How's it going? What's up, John? Just came from Opal video from a few weeks ago. Can you chart that again for us? Opal. We got Shaw for 5. He says, can you look at green Satoshi token and will Clover run again, or better sticking with ASM? Damn, a lot there. How high can XYL go in the short term? 2. All right, I appreciate the 5. Let me work through your message there. XYO. Where can XYO go in the short term? 0.02. Well, right now it's bullish over 8.5. So as long as you hold that, the price to beat is 1. It is getting stuck here, so there's no guarantee it's going to keep pushing. It could pull back all the way back down to the 236 here. But you have to hold that shorter 236 that we just had on the screen to continue this thing moving. And you said to 2. Yeah, if it continues the market structure here on the macro, well, yeah, if it continues to stay bullish, then yeah, I'd say the 618 is in play. That's going to be resistance at the trend line. It depends on if it goes up in one candle or it takes a while. But 2, if it has a good leg up like LCX and everything else is doing right now, It could wake up and just start going. But first you have to get over a penny and hold that price. Green Satoshi token, and will Clover run again? Yeah, Clover will run again at some point. We're not at that stage yet to where the tops are being put in yet. Yeah, Clover simply got stuck at the trend, the 382, and it's just sitting here over the 236. Yeah, this is the one that we held the low forever, and then it broke for a moment, and then it moved up. But it's good. It's good that it did that, and it got right back over the 236 to confirm the bottom is in almost instantly. So as long as you're over 8.5, let's see here. Oh yeah, it's more bullish than we think it is. Yeah, strong move up, and then the consolidation in the triangle pattern. So keep it simple. You're in a bullish pattern, and you're in consolidation here on Clover. And as long as you're holding over the 236 at 8.5, this thing could spike up at any moment. That's the way I see it. It'll be an 80% move soon. It could even go higher. I'll do a 3x to 2.8. But yeah, Clover looks good here. We'll leave that on the screen, or on the thing. Yeah, Clover's going to run again. His bullish setup there. But I can't tell you if it's better to stick to ASM or not. Didn't we just look at ASM when they're running? ASM to the moon. Oh no, they're both the same. If I had money in one, I would just maybe split it 50-50 and one in each, because it is crypto. There's no guarantee, what the next day is going to bring. We've seen it before in the past where we're bullish and then we just fall off the table. I mean, that we've drawn these before, or I have rather, and the price just goes down. But a lot of things are moving right now. I like them both. I like them both for pumps. Especially ASM here. It's over the 382. It's macro bullish. It's in a bullish pattern. It's consolidating. GST. Yeah, GST is still getting stuck here. Excuse me. GST woke up, but it's having trouble pushing through the first level here. And that is your 236 high to the low. So it has to get over this 18.9 area to confirm that the bottom is in here. It looks good here though. It's trying, but it's getting stuck ultimately. Let me bring that back up. It's trying to wait for me, but it's going to have to wait another couple of months. So I don't think that's going to happen. But yeah, once it pushes through here, it's probably going to have a little decent candle spawn in here. 55% move to 2.8, and everyone's going to be screaming GST to the moon, and it's going to get stuck. But yeah, it looks good. Just needs to get over that level there. I appreciate the 5. I appreciate your channel. I appreciate you checking them out. I appreciate you being here, John. What's up, Econ? Yeah, I think AVEX is going to have a decent run this cycle. Yeah, someone said both Velos. Velos, Jasmy. Let's see here. Yeah, I need to get 50,000 or 100,000 Jasmy. Oh, damn, I almost typed in Jasmy. I don't know if you guys were here for the last stream, but I did end up buying. I transferred my Crow coin over to Jasmy just for the hell of it. The only play I got, if I believe Jasmy's going to $1, then just give me 50,000 Jasmy coins. At least I'll get 50 grand this year. Yeah, Velo, we covered it yesterday. It pulled away. It started to pull away from the trend here. You were over the 0.5. Now you're over the 618. So as long as you're over 11 here, you held the macro uptrend. It looks good here. It's finally woken up from the resistance in the higher lows, which you can clearly see getting stuck here. Higher lows. That's a very bullish setup consolidation also. And now she's starting to move. And then if it continues to be bullish here, which the momentum just bounced off of the middle and it moved up, 30% move up to 16 is your next big target. And then we do it again. So after covering these coins for free, I'm going to have to say no when someone asks for it again. I'm going to have to say rewind the stream, my man or girl or my woman. How do you say that? My man and then my woman, I don't even know how to say that. High to the low. It looks like it just got stuck at the 0.5, but you're above the 618.382 here, so it's in good shape right now. But yeah, I like Velo for a good move this cycle. Velo is going to 30x to $40. $4, I mean, 3.4 billion market cap. But I've said it in the past, I can't wait till the market's over. Hopefully I make money in it. But when we can look back and look at our charts here and see what hit what, to see how accurate we were and how much money you guys made, it's going to be amazing. Yeah, I never can find the Velo. The other Velo. Looks good here. It's holding the trend. Could have very well just double bottomed off the trend with the higher low, so this thing could take off too. And it makes it so much easier now that, when days when we're bullish here. Yeah, high to the low, double bottom pattern. You're over the 618, over 17. Ready for a breakout, apparently. But as soon as it breaks this high here, it'll probably just blow through it. We saw something do that recently. I don't remember what it was. But a nice almost 49% spike up to the 3225. Once you get over that, you're macro bullish on Velo protocol here. I believe it's what it's called. 618 retracement. This one has a decent little move here. 1.4 billion market cap up to 19.20 cents is a 11x from where it is today. Not a bad move. And a 4x up to the 0.5 at 7. And it could very well, off of this pattern here, just shoot right up to that. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. A 6 billion market cap to 81 is going to be a 47x. But the overall chart on that one looks good. Let me just make sure I covered the super chats here. Yeah, someone said Jasmine a couple of times. I think I saw. Moonwell finally stopped dumping. Did it? The only one. I can't believe how well ALB and Arrowbud hold. Arrowbud's a meme coin, ain't it? Because we got to go over there and look at Grappo World. I haven't forgot, T. You were covering Grappo, then stop. I never even saw Grappo. Am I missing something here? I don't remember looking at the chart. All right, let me peek at Jasmine and Alien Base, and then we'll go look at Grappo World and Arrowbud. Alien Base. Yeah, Alien Base has been bullish. Every time we look at it, it's in some sort of a large or small pattern. And every time I have to say, get ready, she's about to go. And every time she goes, she's still going. Yeah, a little bit from the last time. So now your move is now, next resistance is 28% to 73. That's your next big target here. But yeah, there's no wick. It's just bullish as it can be right now. Every time we look at alien base, it's just alien base to the moon. What else can you say? Ooh, sorry about the coughing. Jasmine. But yeah, what I was saying, I have 2,000 Jasmine now. Yeah, had a nice little pullback here on Jasmine, and it got bought back up. Nice looking wick. Low to the high, broke the downtrend. It's above the 382, so you're bullish over 2.3. Right at the 0.5 getting stuck. So 2.6 is the price to beat, and then 3. Once you get over 3 on Jasmine, it should send it up to 5 pennies there. And there was someone saying they're going to take profit at 5, so do what you got to do. But I'm going to try until it gets over the 382 at 5, which I'm running out of time, like big time. I'm going to accumulate as much Jasmine as I can. And I'm just going to hold it to $1. But if you haven't seen, a lot of people are going to take profit on Jasmine. 14, 15 billion market cap, around 30, 35 cents maybe. They're going to get their 11x. Well, of course, if you bought back here, which I used to buy it back here, and then I had to get out. I wish I would have held. Wish I could have held. But yeah, Jasmine's going to hit a 786 retracement here for me. 50 billion market cap from today of 42x. But yeah, we're going to have to go switch this now. ICP on the monthly looks insane. Yeah, what's the target for ICP? $10, $5? I don't even know what it's at right now, but like when anyone ever mentions XRP, I always see $10, $30. So what do the ICP moon boys say? Where's ICP running to? All right, back over to Dex Screener. Let's see if we can find... Let's try this again, because I don't think I ever looked at it. QORPO. This? Is it on Ethereum? Wait, you said the address. Let me look at the chat again. Let's see here. What was the address he threw up? A940. A940. Alright. So we did pull it up on the screen earlier, but we didn't click on it. Alright, we finally got it up and running. But yeah, Sophia, I am getting better. Let's see. Not a bad looking chart just by looking at it. 8 million market cap, 4,500 holders. Do your own research, of course. Let's make the chart look weird. Let's see what we got going on. What kind of damage can this one do? Where do you hear of these things? Alright, it appears the bottom is in. If you don't count this wick here, there's clearly a bottom in, as you can see. And let's see here. So when this one gets over 11.9, 12 pennies, the bottom is confirmed in. That's a 40% move. And then bullish over 120% move over 18.7. That's where you had support back here, resistance. So when it comes up again, we'll see if we can break that. If you get over the 382 on this one, then it's going to be bullish, not only technical wise, but it will be bullish at that point. Downtrend still in play. You can see that with the dotted line. But yeah, if this thing's going to run, it's going to run. Let's see where it's going to go to. But these are the charts I like. Still in the downtrend. A meme coin. It has history. The bottom is apparently in. New high on this one is a 33x to 293, $3. Not a bad one. All right, you own this one? Yeah, if it's going to hit a new high, you can see it on the chart here. As soon as the meme season kicks in or the meme coins wake up, they just go vertical if they're going to go. But, you know, people have to know about this and have to buy it. That's why I say do your own research on it, because I have no idea. It's not a Solana token, so I can't run it through the Solana rug checker. 199K of non-locked liquidity. Yeah, just be careful with it. I wouldn't put a whole bunch in it, but for a gamble play, it could hit $3. $100, plant $100 seed in it. Zeus Arrowbud. Yeah, someone keeps asking for Arrowbud. It's a gaming coin. Okay, it's not a meme coin though. Okay. Well, yeah, that's why I say, you know, if you want to look into this one, go look into it. Maybe it is something. I just assume everything on Deck Screener is a meme coin. I don't mean to offend everyone. It's just a bunch of gamble coins, in my opinion. But yeah, not a bad pick. Arrowbud. Arrowbud. I know we looked at this one before. Oh yeah. Oh, this one's going to the moon. See, this is exactly what we just looked at on your gaming coin. It's still down here. This is what you want to see. It's going to wake up and just go to the moon. But this one has 17 million, almost 800K of locked liquidity. It has 337,000 holders. So there's people to buy this thing. But yeah, this thing had a nice run. It's still bullish right now. It's over the next level at 16.4, 1414 here. So we're going to move this up to spawn you in some money. Next stop is 2.7. And it looks good here. It looks bullish. So another 50% move, 53% move to your next resistance at 2.7. As long as you stay over 16.4. Damn, Arrowbud looks good here. Chris says, check out Dinger. What is Dinger? Oh yeah, Dinger. I think I've heard of that one, Dinger. Eric, ICP month. Okay, you answered. Thank you. 150 to 200. Okay. We'll try to look at it if I remember. We've been here for almost an hour. We only got 20 people in here. Where's everyone at? Are there other people streaming still right now? XCN Dinger. Let's see what Dinger's doing. Dinger. What did you say about it? Dinger, the first cat coin. Elon's only cat. Easily 100x if you ask me. Is it on Ethereum? It came out 3 years ago. Is it on Ethereum or Solana? Let me see. Yeah, I don't know if it's this one or the Solana one. I can't believe this thing came out 3 years ago. What's up, Dennis? Can you take a look at Arc Block and Aerodrome? ABT, says Vlad. XCN for Boxy. Ort looking good as well. Broke to 17 today. Yeah, just let me wait. Is this the right Dinger? Does anyone know? I guess it doesn't matter. Someone's going to buy Dinger on every platform anyway, so we'll just go ahead and make the chart. Dinger, high to the low. It's back below the 236 here, or 382 rather, at 348. So you need to get back above that to be bullish, but it is curled up, higher highs, higher lows. It could be getting ready to take off, even though it is below that, because you can see the weird W double bottom pattern in the move up. So it's just consolidating right now, and it's about to just go. Come on. But yeah, on the smaller time frame, doesn't look bad. It looks like it's doing the same thing it did back here. And then it's just going to go up again. So if it continues to structure here, next little move up, higher high, should take you up 786 retracement, and it seems to happen very fast too. Damn, 4.5x almost to the next high. 2 days and 1 day. Yeah. Most recent low to the high, 618. Nice bounce, and let's see if it did the same thing back here. Not perfect, but yeah, the overall chart after it died, it woke up now. It's curled up. It looks like it's getting ready to just go vertical here. What else are we going to look at? Jack says realistic profit points on LCX. Hoping XCN waits for me. Rotating everything into it. Yeah, XCN's already moving. What was I going to look at, though? Yeah, you guys are asking for a whole bunch. I know you have been the whole stream, too. I got to pick and choose here. We're going to be here all night. XCN, yeah, a couple of people asked for XCN, so I guess we'll look at that. And then thoughts on Dogelon. Will it run again, or is it dead? No, I think Dogelon's going to run, and it's going to run real hard. It's going to probably run last. It's ran real hard in the past. And it has a whole bunch of liquidity. So when people are making money in the bull market, they want somewhere to put their money to make some money, make some more gains. They're going to look over at Dogelon and be like, man, this thing's got a lot of liquidity. I could put my money in here and get an easy 5x, 10x, and I won't have to worry. So I think that's one thing that's going to fuel Dogelon Mars. That's why I would love to get in on Dogelon. I think it's going to run, and it's going to run hard out of nowhere. It's going to have a God candle spawn in, because everyone's dumping their money into it when they're making money on all this stuff here today. All right, so we covered the Dinger, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, we looked at Jasmine. Someone said AVAX earlier. Yeah, AVAX is over the 618. It looks good, but we're getting off track here. Turbo. Someone mentioned Turbo earlier, I remember. What is Turbo doing? She's still holding up. I don't know what that was. I guess we were looking at a pattern, but on the smaller time frame, it's still holding our support level. So as long as we're holding the 0072 here, all of these weekly candles have been holding it, every one. So that is your support to hold it. That's a good looking little wick off of this thing and hold. And just pulled back and it's consolidating now, holding support. So 7.2 is your price to hold. Once we break back over 8.6, we'll probably have a decent spike to the upside on Turbo. At some point, Turbo is going to have another huge run. I don't know when that's going to be, but potentially a 100% move once it finally gets up off the floor here and starts running again. And then it'll pull back again and then repeat, unless it's going to spike up high. ABT, XCN, let's see here, maybe, yeah, okay, you guys can see this. Oh no, we're having trouble streaming to Twitter. There may be an issue on X's end. We'll keep trying, let you know if it's resolved. Please check X to ensure the stream looks okay. Man, that's bearish. They're trying to boot out Twitter. Let me pull up on Twitter, see what's happening over there. Maybe it got overloaded. Everyone piled into Twitter and broke it. Yeah, I got this big message on the screen in front of me now. Okay, let me remove that. No, I don't want to remove the destination. It still shows 14 people on Twitter watching. Let me see. Always something. Yeah, it's not here. That's unfortunate. All right. I'm just gonna leave it. It's in limbo, but I'm just gonna leave it. Maybe it'll pick the stream back up. We got 37 people here on YouTube. Let's go. How you guys doing? Everyone else coming in here. Damn it. I'm getting tired of this cough. I need to go make me some more healing potion. What we're looking at, XCN, ABT, and then someone said a realistic profit on LCX. Well, we got ABT here. Yeah, ABT's trying to wake up. Where's PNG? PNG and ABT have been lagging. It's trying to break the downtrend here. Yeah, it's trying to break over the tiny. Oh no, I can't do that. That's cheating. High to the low on the small one in the downtrend. You're over the 0.5 now, so that's a good step. At 6.2, I don't remember what we said last time, but that could be telling us it's about to break out. 175 is confirming that. So unless this turns into a wick, ABT could be ready to go here finally. Arc block's finally waking up. And then arc block to the top of the fib, 19.5x, 3 billion market cap, $32. Is that possible? That's the question. And then, damn, what'd someone else say? XCN. Someone mentioned well earlier. That's the wrong well chart. I gotta get the right well chart. Oh yeah, well held up. Low to the high, it's back over the 236. Nice little move. It held the macro 618 we've been watching at 5.6. So as long as you're over 6.3, she's bullish here. Maybe it's not going to repeat history. Oh, but it did it back here too. Faked you out. All right, so well, it held up. It's back over that level there. If we go down to the daily, 3-day, wherever it's going to be, we're just going to go to the 3-day just so we can see the whole thing real quick. But high to the low, it's right at the 0.5 and 618. So it needs to get over 755, which it is. Next stop is 8.3. We'll confirm this little move down is over and you can move up. So 8.3 is the price to beat right now. Where are we at? But yeah, LCX, damn it. We've been saying it over the last couple of updates, last couple of live streams, that LCX put the bottom in. It did drop all the way down. It needed to break back over 14.15, which it did, and it needed to break this high, which it did. And the bottom was in. And now we see that. I can't believe this thing's going up so hard. It's coming right up to resistance right now. Look at that. 35. Let's see. It may wick above it, but it may get stuck here. But a good move on LCX here. I wonder if there's people going to take profit here. But if you're asking for targets for the bull market, we have these targets here: $1.60, $2.50, and $4.78, $4.80. I can't really put this there because it's just moving. So if you think it can hit $1 billion market cap, then $1.60, 1.2 potential target for 4.5x, and then a 3.6 billion market cap to 250 is a 7.5x. But if you think it's going to go a lot higher than that, which it's bullish as hell right now, 2 giant green candles, daily candles, or no, weekly candles, one after the other. Yeah, and what if this thing goes to $1 billion market cap right now over the next week? But that would be a 13.5, 14x if you think you can hit a 4.5 billion market cap. But yeah, people were complaining about LCX for a long time there, and now it's pumping again. XCN, is she waiting for me? Is she coming back? Let's see here. Let me check my phone real quick. But yeah, XCN's already woken up from the bottom here. Sad to see. But what are you going to do? Still below the 236, but it already curled up from the sleeping, from being dead. It's now undead. High to the low, it's over the 382. So yeah, it's officially bullish and alive here over 17. Right at the 0.5, needs to get over 2.1, and then that'll send you up to 2.6, and then the macro bottom is in, and then whoever didn't get in on XCN, we can go cry in the corner, I guess. About a 32% move, 40% move to get up over it. But yeah, that doesn't look bad. Yeah, I'm missing a whole bunch of these chats. SD, Stater. Yeah, I did try it. It worked good. I'll probably have to try it again. Oh. Connecticut Eagles Kite Club says Fox is pumping. Yeah, we've looked at Fox a couple of times. I don't think it's pumping. I don't believe you. XYO, please. Yeah, we looked at XYO a couple of times. I put 3,000 when it was at 006. How high do you think it will go right now? It's doing correction to 009. Yeah, we've looked at it a couple times. Yeah, these are the questions that's going to come flooding in when everything's going to the moon this next year. I'm not going to have the answers for anyone. That's why we do the updates. XYO. What did you say? Support at 009. A correction to 009. Saul Goodman, I appreciate that. Gifted 1 Crypto Undead membership. 1 new member of the Horde. I appreciate that, my man. Let's see who gets it. But yeah, XYO, it got stuck at the 382. Not perfectly, but you can see it came up here. It's still bullish right now. You put $3,000 in back here when we were looking at it in the consolidation period, and it got a decent run here. Not financial advice, but the only thing I can say is don't be greedy. I'm poor, so I would have already gotten out. But low, high, 236, as long as you're over 8.5, then you're good. But you said 009. Oh, that's where we're at right now. Let me look on the smaller time frames. I think we looked at this earlier. Dang it. But yeah, let me get this one off. I don't know. This thing could still keep running. You can clearly see off the little strong move that it already had. It's crypto, it doesn't have to, but you're clearly in a consolidation period in this triangle pattern. But let's see. But if we go low, high, yeah, you dipped down already. 0.5 held. You're making your, yeah, it looks good here. I can't tell you what to do, but I'm not brave enough to hold this. Even though I do the charting and I'm bullish and this looks good here. Yeah, you're over the 382. Once you get over 009 here, that'll tell you you're breaking to the upside. Then once you get over a penny, it may start flying again. That's all I can really say is it looks good where it is right now. Very good consolidation, triangle, pennant pattern, whatever you want to call it here. That's what I call gearing up to go again. And we just looked at the same thing on Alien Base. Alien Base was in a similar pattern, and I kept saying it's getting ready to go. Everyone pile in. Alien Base is about to spike up again, and she's running to the moon again. So, but not financial advice. Don't listen to any of that. Make sure we're still live here. But yeah. I mean, if it pushes through the 382, then that's a huge step in the right direction. You're going to finally hold that. And after the bottom here in the curl up, you should hold there. And then at some point, it's going to hit the 618 at 2 and then 786 at 4 pennies. Yeah, I don't see why not. You just gotta be patient and hold. But we've went over it many times, low to the high. Final support level was hit perfectly here. We curled up. We had the spike up. It's alive again. It's just at that first resistance level. So hopefully that all kind of helps. But yeah, once you get over a penny, this thing's in real good shape, and it looks like it's gearing up to do that very soon. Oh no, SD's going to the moon. You guys see exactly what I see, the same thing we just looked at. Damn, we're about to have everything spike to the upside, and I'm not even in. Oh no. But yeah, SD's right below the 382 also. It's above this 382 at 81, so it's holding up here. As you can see, why I laughed. Because if we go down to the smaller time frames, we'll just keep it on the 3-day. Same exact strong move up, and then not going to be perfect every time on every asset, but you can clearly see there's consolidation going on inside of the triangle pattern here. And then if we do it, which I guess we should have did it on XYO too, but you can also do the measured move if you wanted to. They don't always play out, but you could have a huge spike, or it could just spike up to the 618 soon. But you got to get over 112. Once you get over 112, then SD's going. SD's gearing up also. Unless something drastic in the market happens and we go to zero, Bitcoin falls off the table. You know, unless there's something wrong with the project, because we've seen this before. I think it was, I can't remember what recently. Looked at something recently, it had a bullish pattern. It wasn't pretty, but it fell off the table a little bit. But it was a crap coin that I never heard of and no one cares about, so that's why it died. But I think SD's getting ready to go here also. I'm patient. Yeah, be patient. It looks good right now. Ski on base. I don't know. We can go look at it though. If it hits 4, I'll make 32,000. Nice. I'll send you a $3,000 gift. I don't think that's possible. No, you don't have to do that. I'm glad you're making money. I appreciate the support you guys give, and you know, you guys do what you want to do with your money. But I'm glad I'm here to not help with non-financial advice. Rodrigo says AMP. I miss Louise for a $2 or $3 super chat. How did I miss that? Let's see here. She was a medicine woman from Grenada. Okay. I send those blessings right back to you, Sophia. I appreciate that. Louise says, Ducky, please. Chart-wise, look. I don't know what that means. Chart-wise, Ngok. I think you misspelled something. All right, let's go look at Ducky. And then somebody said something else, some other meme coin. And then we'll come right back. But I got to prioritize the super chat here, because I'll end up forgetting it, even though I keep checking. Let me check again, because... Yeah, who got the membership from Saul? Step to the front of the line and type a 1 if you got the... Let's see here. What do I think of Spell? I like Spell. I think Spell left me behind, though. Spell, XCN, GST, all the ones that were just down in the dirt, doing nothing, but consolidating completely flat almost. I really wanted to rotate over into before they moved, but they're slowly moving. But I like Spell for this cycle. We'll go look at it if I remember. If I can get the right thing up on the chart here. I'll put this, look for deck screener. All right, so deck screener, we're going to look at Ducky. I appreciate the 3, Louise. How's the crazy lady doing? I haven't looked in a while. Are you still holding? Ducky, please. What is Ducky on? Tall guy. All right, welcome to the horde, tall guy. Hopefully you stick around, my man. Yeah, I saw someone said ETH was pumping. We'll have to go look at it if we remember. But yeah, we got to do Ducky. Ducky for Louise here. Oh yeah, it's this one, ain't it? Man, what happened to this thing? What did we draw on here? Yeah, I don't know what's happening with that. We're going to get that off. I don't know. I don't remember drawing that or why that was drawn. Oh, that's a 4-hour. Oh, I guess we got to be on the 4-hour. All right, so Ducky, if this is the right one, hopefully. 3 million market cap, 400K of locked liquidity, not bad. It looks like it's putting in a bottom here. You touch there, you're touching here. So if you hold, how far is this down? Could be in a real good spot here. Yeah, down 88%. And it seems to be bouncing on the bottom. Yeah, Twitter came back. I'm glad I left it. All right, but this one's in a good spot. It's down 88%. It appears to be putting in a bottom. Downtrend is still in play, so you know it's a gamble. Let's see what kind of gamble this is. $100, 786 retracements, a 6x, and then a new high on this one potentially is a 10x. A little over a 10x on this one. Let's see here. Frankie says crow with knife. Call. Ski on base. That was the other one someone mentioned. Let's see here. Ski. Oh yeah, we looked at this one. Ski on base. Is it this one or the other one? Yeah. What do we have going on here? Yet again, it's still getting stuck right at that previous high from back here at 388. Wonder why it's getting stuck so much. That looks like a good bottom formation. The pullback, strong move, and then the pullback on a wick. It looks good here. Damn it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get some more magic juice in me. But yeah, this thing looks good. It looks like it wants to just pop off right now. If I can get this to go low to the high. Yeah, it came down and held the 236 at 2.4 and bounced. It just needs to break above the resistance it hits every time. What is this, 3-day candles? Yeah, okay, so it needs a 3-day close. It needs this candle right here to get above 388 and hold, or just blast right through it and then come up 240%. 3.5x for you. Maybe it's time to do that now. So we're going to leave this here, and the magic's going to come in, and you're going to get that move. But since we're over here, any other deck screener coins? Paul in now with the super chat, so we don't have to come back. What was I looking for? I'm just kidding, by the way. Dinger, Billy, Bonk. Oh yeah, Janet. If she's still holding up, then that'll be good. As long as she didn't break down. Dude. Luis is going to go into the Hall of Fame if Janet runs for him. It's still holding the bottom here. So if it doesn't, no. Right when we said that, a candle spawning in here. Why? Why did they spawn in a candle right when we looked at it? Oh no. Damn. All right, this thing doesn't look that great. Let me put it. It is on log. Yeah, this thing just made a new low. That's unfortunate. But even if it turns into a wick, you just broke the low here and here. It may drop. I don't know how much this is down already. I don't remember. Yeah, this thing's already down 98 and almost 99%. I don't know. I can't tell you what to do. It may turn into a wick, and that could be it, and it'll go to the moon from here. There's no telling. I just could not put as much money as you did in it. Lady is not moving much. Oh, the crazy lady. Yeah. What's up, Straight Crypto? Yeah, we just looked at SD. SD is looking good. SD and XYO are in consolidation patterns, and they look like they're about to go again. But yeah, we'll see what happens on this thing here. I hope it holds up for you, my man. Sometimes we get that. The bottom's put in and then there's one last final dump and then that was it. But no more. I think that's all the coins we need to look at over here. Oh, let me scroll into the chat. LCX still pumped to 60 cents. Oh yeah, call. I got the call chart on the other one, I believe, also, but it's also over here. Yeah, crow with knife. We looked at something earlier doing the same thing. It's curled up now. It broke the downtrend. It's making higher highs, higher lows here. Last time it made a little wedge pattern and took off. It's doing, another pullback. It is below the 382, but what we can simply do on call, which I think call is going to be a good play. Low to the high. If we can see that there. Yeah, we're just above the 0.5 here. So if anything, call here is going to pull back all the way to the 0.5. It doesn't have to, 6% drop. But right now you can clearly see, or if you can't clearly see, I'll draw it. But you're right here on the trend. So if we want to draw it perfectly here, then it looks like it's the 0.5 should be it at 4.4. It shouldn't go any lower than that. If it does, then it's going to break structure and you have a problem at that point. Which it's a meme coin. It doesn't have to be perfect. But it could come down to the 618 and still hold higher lows. That's what I'm trying to get across. But it looks good here. The overall chart, if you're holding call, it does not look bad at all. It's that nice structure you like to see, and then once people start piling into it, it's going to go vertical. Damn, I hate those buttons. I hate those buttons. But yeah, why do we have this all the way up here? Let's see. Dang, a 45x. But yeah, I don't know where the target is on call. New high, we'll keep it here for now. First target, new high. If it goes higher, we'll cover it then. But once it starts to go, a 370% move, so over 4.5x to the new high at 2.2 with 6.0. It's doing that glitch out thing again. Let me lift it up. Maybe we're getting overheated. How we looking with Jasmine? Jasmine looks good. It's in a good spot. Someone I think just said, oh no, that's ACH. I'm adjusting my computer here. Yeah, hopefully those coins for you, Luis, do something. I can't imagine putting that much money in them, though. But yeah, see SD's right here. We just looked at it. Once it breaks over the 382 at 112, it's going to confirm it's breaking out here. And it could have a good, decent little spike up. 90% move to 184, and it could go higher. But not a bad setup, not a bad look here where it is. Caspa's still holding up. Oh yeah, ACH is pumping. I missed ACH too. I don't know if I've mentioned that, but ACH is one I would also have bought. The formation, and now it's going. She's officially alive again. Officially undead ACH here. Over 2.7. But if it does pump up to the 0.5 at 4, just be ready for resistance there. Yeah, high to the low. Once you break the 618 here at 3, it'll confirm this move is over and you can move up. But yeah, ACH is in a good spot too. But the best spot was what we've been covering for the last couple of months, was down here. When we were looking at these formations here, bottom is in, it looks good, it's starting to curl up, get ready, it's about to go. Now we're seeing everything start to go. Oh, Miria's trying to go. Yeah, I don't know where to put this at. But yeah, the double bottom. Once it breaks over the 618 on Miria, it's going to have a large candle spawn in probably. But what are we looking at? Oh yeah, Grape coin here. Grape was one of the ones that looked like it could be gearing up to go, and it just dying here. Mint layer is about to blast off. Nice looking W bottom formation, double bottom with a higher low. Mint layer is about to run. Bitcoin's not looking bad here. It looks like it just cooled off for a moment, and we're about to start spiking back up. Which I would not mind that at all. I do not want alt season to start yet. Damn, ALGO went to the moon. ALGO was another one on my list. With Spell, whoever asked that. Down here in the dirt at the bottom, doing nothing, holding the levels here. And it just went straight to the 382. I really wanted to buy ALGO. That's just so unlucky. But yeah, Jasmine, we've looked at it several times, I believe. I don't know, Jasmine may start going to the moon just because I bought 2,000 coins. And I want to accumulate about 50,000 or 100,000. And it's just going to go before I can do that probably. But yeah, it's above the 382, 2.3. Once you get over 3 pennies on Jasmine, it's off to the races to 5. But it looks good. It broke the downtrend. It backtested. It held. It's over the 382. It's only a matter of time before this thing spikes up. What's up, Alex? PNG? Is PNG doing something? What's your buy of the day? Caspa didn't do what I thought it would after cracking listing. What do you think it was going to do? You think it was going to the moon? SHIB. Yeah, last time I looked at SHIB, it was looking like these others is getting ready to take off. The downwards move, the cool off, may be over. Bitcoin and Ethereum starting to go up. Bitcoin's going to go up. Yeah, where's SHIB at? Yeah, XRP still looking bullish. H-bar's not looking bad. It's not perfect, but it's pretty much holding the 0.5 here after the nice run up. But yeah, SHIB, what did SHIB do? Let's see. Is SHIB gonna disappoint me? No. Oh, it's got a little fat green candle trying to spawn in. Been looking at it here in the bullish pattern. Yeah, SHIB looks like it's about to spike up. Depending on where we want to draw this at. Let me draw it to the wicks. There, that way we can see it better. But yeah, SHIB doesn't look bad here at all. Over the support at the 0.5 and sitting in bullish consolidation in a triangle pattern after a strong leg up. It's about to spike up 25%, and then all the influencers are going to come out with the SHIB videos with their shocked faces. Why is SHIB going up? They're going to look for all the SHIB news they can to see what's happening. And then all I'm going to say is all you had to do was look at the chart, my man. The chart is screaming at you that SHIB's about to pump. There's no other reason. You thought it would have increased volume. No, from my experience, every time something's listed, it does nothing. It either dumps or it does nothing. When they say something's listing, it's too late. Because people are buying in before the listing, and then when they list, it's just dead silence. Nothing happens or it dumps. It was all smoke and mirrors. It was nothing. That's my experience. Now, Caspa getting on these exchanges before, the whole world piles into crypto is good because then people will be able to buy it. So it needs to get on Coinbase and all that. But other than that, I put 5K into SHIB at this consolidating level. All right, nice job. Yeah, they put these new information buttons on here. I don't know why. So where are they getting this number? Key resistance is at 8.1 with potential for a 215% increase if surpassed. Yeah, I don't know what that means. I don't understand their information. Oh, are they talking about the high here? I don't know. All I know is it looks good here on SHIB. Yeah, the smart contracts on Cardano. That was all the talk when I was in on Cardano. Nothing ever happened. It simply went up with the bull market, and if you didn't sell, then you're still holding because you believed in the smart contracts. Yeah, what else we're gonna look at? PNG, CTX. Yeah, I did an update on CTX on the channel today. Let's see, is PNG moving? Damn it, we're on the wrong list. Oh, since we're here, someone said QNT. But yeah, Elon here. I still like Elon. If Elon waits for me, I'll get back in. Like I said, at the beginning of the year, I had 5K on this thing. But it did go down since then. Where's January? Oh no, damn. Yeah, I had 5K on Elon back here. I missed the March pump. That would have made me happy. Damn, that's unfortunate. That's what I'm talking about. I got out in February at some point when I lost my job. And then, look at that. They were watching me. He lost his job. He pulled his money out. Let's go to the moon for a minute. I never even thought to look at that. I got out in February. This thing did a what? Damn. Did a 2.5x. But now if I can get back in somewhere back here, we'll see what happens. Getting off topic, off track. Let's go. QNT, I like QNT. $2,000 plus potentially. Yeah, just zooming all the way out on QNT makes it better. QNT simply came up and got stuck here. 382, our red box. Once you break over this, we're in real good shape. 100 up to about 105. Once we're over that, we're good. But right now, we simply got stuck. Nice bounce off the macro bottom. And then QNT to the moon. I think someone in here has about 50 QNT. So if QNT does go to 2,000 plus, then that's a lot of money, at least to me. So just under $1,000, 12.8 billion market cap is a 10x, 10.5x. 1,300 to a 14.5, 15x, and then $2,000 plus 27.5 billion and a 24x. Someone said 5,000 on QNT. I don't know. $5,000 coins. ONG is moving. ONG. What is that? Tangent says SD is going to fly. DIA as well. Yep. SD is about to fly right now. Oh yeah, PNG. Peak is a good one. Yeah. I was almost going to make an update on that one today. I did the AIT and the CB, whatever it is, CBCK, whatever it is, ZBCN update on the channel, and then I was thinking about Peak. Where are we at? The wrong chart. Damn, I keep doing that. Yeah, PNG's not doing anything yet. I keep telling you guys, until it breaks over 3.0, there's nothing to say on PNG. Let's do it. It's been doing the same thing for what, 4 months now? How long is this? Over 4 months of nothing. That's why everyone keeps asking for it. You'll get a better one. Yeah. Let's see. Heard me on the live from Grenada talking about magic juice. Oh my god. Just trying to scroll back through the chat, see if I missed anything important. Yeah, PNG, the one that does nothing. I don't know. ABT's trying to move, so maybe PNG will finally wake up. Let's see here. Ethereum is pumping today, ain't it? Oh yeah, Ethereum woke up. Oh yeah, Ethereum looks good here. This one says she's going to 3,600. Oh, she's at 3,670. Yeah, it just blew through the 786 here, high to the low. Yeah. Ethereum gunning for a new high now. Yeah, GFI, we looked at it, I think, a couple times already. What time is it? Yeah, it needs to get above the 0.5 here. It needs to get above 179, 180. And then that could maybe kind of tell you that it's about to break out. But right now it's doing nothing really. It's pumping, but on the macro, it's still down below the downtrend. Yeah, I'm just checking my phone real quick. Yeah, didn't we look at Spell earlier? Oh no, that was Algo. Yeah, Spell's another one I still want to get in. It did wake up, but it's in a good spot right now because Spell got back over the once uptrend turned resistance from this formation here. The bottom was put in. We held the green support level. We pumped. We're over that. We're not over the 236 yet at 9.6, so it's only a matter of time, in my opinion. Then Spell's going to start moving up here. But overall, it's done nothing forever. But it's not going to wait for me. I can already tell I'm too late on this one. But once it breaks through and has a spike up, 100% move. So a 2x to 001 at the 382. Once you get over that, you're bullish. And then a 618 retracement. If you're going to hold to the moon, or not to the moon, but just hold, a 6x just to do a 618 retracement in a bull market. Very possible. So good targets here, and then 1 penny is a very good target. 1.5 billion market cap, 12.5x from today, and then your moonshot. If you think this thing can hit a $14 billion market cap, that's 107, almost 108x to 9.5. Maybe it hits 10 cents and everyone sells. But, you know, it's a moonshot, but there's a lot of good targets along the way. But yeah, it's in a good spot right now. It's probably going to break over the 236 very soon. That's why I say it left me. I wanted it down at the bottom. Not spell yet? What do you mean by that? Carrot? Yeah, carrot's a good one. What's up, Slava? I appreciate you being here every day, my man. I'm good. Just grinding away every day. I didn't live stream. I don't know if I told you guys this. I didn't live stream yesterday because I had to go watch my youngest son. Spent the day doing kid stuff. It was fun. Good times. Okay, I didn't look at it yet. God first, can you do Ave? Slava says, love you, brother. Yeah, I love you guys being here. Gets me through. Can you do Ave? I don't remember the last time we looked at Ave. But yeah, spell hasn't quite left yet. It's still right there. Why is my camera light on? What the hell's going on? Am I being hacked? What would make my laptop light on the camera just all of a sudden come on? Is it because I'm in a dark room and the sun's going down? So it automatically comes on. I never noticed that before. But Ave here. Ave, you can see it's bullish right now. What are we on? The weekly candles. Zoom this thing out so we can see what is going on with Ave. Let's pull this over. Yeah, this thing's just been grinding up. It's grinding away, putting in the work. It's over the 0.5 at 174. The next stop to confirm that this is all over with finally is 239 here. And the candle looks like that's where she's headed to. So the next big resistance on this thing is 239, 240. Another 13% move here. But if it can get over that, it's in real good shape here. Everything's gearing up to go. It's too early. We need to slow the market down. Everyone needs to cool off. But yeah, Ave here. I don't know where it's going market cap wise, but it's heading toward the 5.5 billion at the 786. But Ave is an older coin. Maybe this is where it's headed. 20 billion market cap, $1,300, and about a 6.5x, which lines up with the older coins potentially doing 5 to 10x's. Some of them will do like 4 or 3x's. But yeah, there's really nothing to say. It's bullish right now. It's grinding up, made a higher high, and that's all you can really say on it right now. Doesn't look bad. I don't need TA. I just need live stream. You're never alone in faith. I appreciate those words. Yeah. Your blessings will come. You help others keep over-serving. I think that's what you meant. I hope you're right. Cadena is up 33%. Yeah, there's a lot of things moving today. I was thinking maybe today, since the market is green, maybe we'd finally get over 100 people in here, but there's nobody been around for the last couple of streams. It's just like dead. Oh, damn, I didn't even know. I didn't realize Kada was going straight up. Wow. Why is this all off? Let's fix this here. Yeah, low to the high. Came all the way back down to the bottom, so I guess that's kind of pointless. So let's get that off. Yeah, she's over the 236 here. So bottom is confirmed in over 111. Why is this not accurate? Oh, I guess because we had it drawn from back here. All right, we'll leave it. So over 111, the bottom is officially in here. But yeah, same exact pattern. I don't think we looked at Kada, but same exact thing going on here. And now it woke up. I think it's crazy. All you had to do is go find a chart, which there were so many that we covered. Just had this formation here. And now we're going. Yeah, no point in looking back in the past, but if I didn't have to lose my long-time job and pull my money out, I probably would have rotated over into some of these coins that were bottoming out, that are gone now. I would have definitely got in on ALGO. But Kada here, I don't know if we have, let's see if we have market caps. We have nothing on Kada. That's sad. What's the price target for Cadena? Bitcoin dominance is down. Yeah, but I think it's going to go right back up when Bitcoin starts pumping again. Oh, persevering. Okay, I didn't. It was jumbled together. I appreciate the words. What's up, Roberto? Yeah, we're 2 hours in, so now people are going to start showing up. Let's see how many people we got. 40 people on YouTube now. Yeah, it usually spikes up and then it's time to end the live stream. I'm not going to end it yet. I may take a break here in a moment and go get something to drink. Sub Shadow, welcome back. Yeah, a lot of you guys that were always here, I don't ever see here anymore. But yeah, Cadena here. Let me pull this up real quick. Kada, dang, what the heck's wrong with you, dude? I typed in Kada looking for CoinGecko. Come on, you're slowing up the stream. Yeah, Cadena's been around forever, hasn't it? 370 million market cap. Only 30% in circulation. Might as well. I don't think we've built a chart today. I think it's, yeah, I guess it is the first time anyone asked for CADA. I can't see anything in this room now. And CADA, yeah, I see your AG. What is it? Yeah, give me a moment. AXGT, yeah, we'll go look at AXGT. Just let me finish this Cadena chart. What did I say this thing's going to go to? 9x to 1160. So 1160 with the current supply. Is that correct? Whoa. All right. So from where you are right now, this would give you a $3.4 billion market cap. So is Cadena only going to do a 9x, 10x to that market cap? We got Charlie for 5 again. I appreciate that. Checked in on ALB yet? Also hit you up on X a few minutes ago. Would appreciate if you could check after the stream. Okay, yeah. Yeah, there was problems with Twitter a while ago, but I always check it after the stream. I'll go check it out if you DM'd me or something. Oh, you're not speaking. Yeah, Shadow's always in the shadows at work. Always listening in the shadows. I appreciate it. Prime chart. But I appreciate it. Yeah, we looked at ALB, but we'll look at it again. There's really nothing to say on it. ALB is just bullish right now. It was in our pattern. It was bullish. A lot of things are bullish right now, but ALB's been always bullish every time we look at it. If it's not bullish, it's consolidating in a bullish pattern. Nothing's going to stop ALB, I guess. Yeah, it hasn't moved since we looked at it earlier, really. It looks bullish. There's no wick on this candle. It's just moving up out of the pattern we pointed out over support. Next stop up. Next resistance is 7.3 and a 29% move still. Momentum is up. Momentum started to come down, but it bounced. So that's good. It just the overall chart here, everything, the patterns, just it looks good here. Only thing you can really do is watch the next resistance. If you blow through 7.3 and it doesn't care about it, the next potential is the 2618 and 100% move, 107% to 116. So that'd be a 2x from here. But yet again, Charlie, I appreciate the 5, the support. I will look at Twitter later. Yeah, I was thinking about you. We got Roberto for 5. I appreciate that. Keep grinding. Love the TA. I appreciate the support and the words. Yeah, it took a long time to learn how to do this. Countless hours of just using different indicators, watching videos on things, and just reading articles, going in, Investopedia.com and just reading everything. AA, yeah. I know what you're going to ask for. Dog. I scrolled by Dog earlier and I just thought of you. I was like, uh-oh, where is he? ALB is my best coin. Yeah, just watch out for resistance coming up. Yeah, I appreciate the 5 there. I appreciate that a lot, Roberto. Yeah, I guess I need to go look at dogs since AA's here. Sophia says, how do you send money to super chats? Oh, Lord. I didn't have no idea how that works. I just click on the button and click it. You have to connect it somehow. I don't know. I'm not sure. But you don't have to send anything, but I appreciate it. You can also do Cash App. I still feel bad for always saying that, but if you look in the description of every video, if you don't do super chats, there's Cash App. There's wallets in there. You can send Solana, Jasmine, BTC, Ethereum, whatever it's going to be. There's a bunch of different addresses in there. But it's all in the description on the live stream here. But I have no idea. I set my YouTube channel up years and years and years ago. I don't even remember how. I don't have no idea. I guess you set it up with a payment bank or a card or something. I don't know. Yeah, I keep forgetting about AXGT. It dumped hard, 20% below. AXGT, we're going to forget about it again. But yeah, dog here looks good. Overall chart, higher highs, higher lows. It's sitting above the 786 here. It doesn't look bad at all. It's holding support very well. And a strong move up here. Yeah. Especially on the weekly and the 3-day, you could argue, well, on the 3-day, the strong move up, and you just simply pulled back, and a little bull flag pattern here. You're holding support. It's about to spike up. Is probably what's going to happen on dog here. But yeah, you say dog's going to the moon. It's going to $1,000 or something like that. I don't remember what you said, but yeah, where did you say dog is going to? Dog to 90 cents to $1. Oh, geez, that's 130x. So if dog goes to $1, 140x. So you think it's going to $1? My wife was what? Yeah, I was gonna do a video on peak. We got Nina, Alex's wife. I appreciate that. This is from Alex, my husband. He asked me to send a super chat because he said your videos are so helpful for him. Keep up and doing what you're doing. I appreciate that, Alex. I appreciate your wife doing that. That's awesome. I appreciate the 20, my man. I appreciate that a lot. Alex for the win, for the 20 from his wife. Now we got to get her to subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, Nina. We appreciate you being here. Let me look at AXGT before I forget again. AX, damn. Axon Dow, this the one? Yeah. This is what we're seeing a lot. The the higher highs, higher lows, the overall chart. It simply pulled back. It held the 0.5, and now it's bouncing. Hit the 0.5 there, and it's bouncing. It's keeping up the market structure. Now, the big question is, can it get through 389 here? So 39 cents for a 6% move and make a new high right now. Which, if it does that, then the moves are getting faster and shorter here. It's coiling up. That could tell you it's going to go to the moon. But if it gets stuck here, your support, of course, is that 2.8 down here. But we could see something like this to where it does this, and it's still going to end up holding the uptrend. So just be aware of that. It needs to get over 389 or 39, or this could be in play. But other than that, it doesn't look bad. It needs to keep the momentum it has now. You can see the candles going up, but the momentum is shifted down. It's right at the 50 level. But it looks good on the weekly. It looks good. I would simply watch those levels there. But you said something about the price. Dog to 40 cents. Oh, man. It dumped hard 20% below 0.3 and reclaimed 0.3 and up 36 cents now. Yeah, like I just said, it looks good where it is. If it can push through 39, then you're in real good shape on this one. And then this one potentially to an 830 or 873 million market cap, up to 480. About a 12.5, 13x on this thing. Keep it up, man. I hope everything goes your way. Don't give up. You will make this bull market. I'm not giving up. I appreciate I have you guys here, and the support on the channel is what's keeping me going. You guys think I'm helping you, but you guys are helping me a lot. You have no idea. $1 would be 100 billion market cap. Oh. Well, 40 cents is good. Hey, yeah, I think I covered all the super chats. I appreciate that one, though. Yeah, okay, let's show me fibs on LCX, please. You attract good people on here, good vibrations. I appreciate that. I do my best. That's all I can do. But yeah, we've looked at LCX. We started off looking at LCX today. LCX to the moon right now. I'm sorry, I gotta check my phone real quick, make sure there's no one texting me. Oh man, it smacked right into the 786 here. But yeah, the fibs on the chart, there's really nothing to do. This thing's, it's bullish. If it pushes through 35 here, it's going to continue to run. There is nothing I can draw with something going vertical, except on the macro. You're above the 786 here. As long as you're above 28, well, I guess I say there's nothing I can draw, but then we draw stuff. But 28 and then down to 24, 25 to 28.5. As long as you're above those, then you're good. It's still bullish, but it's right at the 786 right now. exactly what we were looking for. Once it broke back through 1415, we said it needs to break over the 618, break this high, and then it's going to start going. And that's exactly what's happening here. So we were looking at it forever, and everyone was so bearish on it. And then I just flipped the switch and said, no, we're just going to be bullish on LCX. This thing bottomed out. It hit the low to the high, 618. That's it. Time to go up. Now, I was just wondering if people were going to take profit here. It's at that point right now. We mentioned that earlier in the stream. When it hits 35 here, people are going to sell because they're tired of this one. They're going to get some money back. Can you do EGLD? Yeah, we can. I don't remember looking at that in forever. Monkey says FET updates. Yeah, I do what I can. I do the only thing I have control over right now is just grinding away. Shadow's debating. Yeah, I figured you were debating. That's why you asked. Because I asked the question earlier. I was like, are people, they're tired of this thing. Are they going to try to get their money back here? So it has to get over 3.5 here. If it can do that, then it'll be in good shape still. But even a daily close here, you got 30 minutes left. Yeah, daily candle over this thing. Should we just have a LCX watch party? Damn, it looks like it smacked right into it perfectly. Did it already hit 35? And it's coming down. Wow. That's crazy. It went up so fast. LCX, and then we look at PNG. And PNG's not doing anything. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you here. Just from the grumblings I heard about the price of LCX coming down all this way, I don't know what people are going to do here. Maybe the chat can answer. If you guys were in here and it just went down forever and it pumped like this, would you get out? Yes or no? Me personally, if I got my money back that much and I wasn't sure if it was even going to break through or go up higher, and it's already done a massive move in the past year, I would get out. But that's just me. But yeah, AGLD. What's up, Jared? Yeah, what you guys gonna be doing for Thanksgiving tomorrow? If I stream tomorrow, it's gonna be late probably, but will anyone show up? Yeah, we'll have to come back to LCX. FET and AGLD. Yeah, I like FET. I think it's, I don't know. It's not too late to get in on FET. It's just, I don't have the money to get in right now. I would love to just, I think FET's going to be bigger than people think, which I guess people already think it's going to be huge. But what is FET going to do? FET's in that same position here. It's just curled up, double bottom, higher low. As soon as you break over 152, it's off to the races here. Initial spike up of can't beat this. Almost 79-80% to 267. And potentially, if it's going to continue the market structure here, this thing's about to do a, yeah, this thing's about to 4x to make a higher high. up to 649 here. So we're going to see large candles in on FET soon. And then FET to an 84 billion market cap, $100. FET, the AI powerhouse, 84 billion to 66x from today. That's not a bad move at all. I would roll over into FET here if I could. You said AGLD, didn't you? Loot. What is this, a venture goal? Yeah, we looked at this not too long ago. Loot. I always forget about it. Yeah, this one just respected the chart. It just said the trend line here just smacked right into it. Wicked above it, but that's why it's getting stuck here. Now it's back down below the 786. It is forming a wick, but it made a lower low, so you could be pulling back here on this one. It needs to break over this previous trend here and get some momentum going up. So as long as you're below 139, it does put in play a 32% drop. And the fact that you got stuck there is not a good look. And then we'll keep it this simple. Low to the high. You're right below the 0.5 here. So if you can get back over 139 here, you'll be in good shape. And then 167, you're bullish. And then once you get up here, 214, you'll know you're back over the trend and you're in a real good spot at that point to push higher. But it could very well pull all the way back. If it stays below the 0.5 here, the 786, we could get a 618 retracement. So you could drop, the double 618 here. So either a 19% drop or that 32% drop. FET to 100 billion, I will send you your dream car. It may go to 84 billion. Hopefully they did a good move. EGLD. Well, whoever wanted AGLD's got AGLD. Yeah, EGLD. Man, I haven't looked at that in forever. Let's see what kind of mess is on this chart. Not bad. We just haven't looked at it in a while. Yeah, clearly the bottom's in. Double topped at the 382. Came back to the low. Now it's pumping again. Need to get over 46.50 to confirm the bottom is in. And then if we go, you're over the 382 to 35.50, so you're bullish now. Price to beat is about 41.30, and then that 236 there. So it looks good here off of the formation that we've been seeing. The bottom is in and she's moving up. Macro bullish once you get over 75 here. Yeah, the fact that you got stuck twice here, once you get over that to be bullish, technically it's going to be bullish at that point. Confirmation over 160. How high can this thing go? I have no idea. Don't have a crystal ball to tell you guys that, but I'd have to build up a chart on this one. A 7x to 275. Wait, what? Is that? EGLD Multiverse X. Is this what we're looking at? I thought we were looking at something else. EGLD, Elrond Gold. Yeah, what am I looking at here? Yeah, why does it say it's called Multiverse X? Am I looking at the right thing here? Let's see. Yeah, I don't know what I'm looking at because there's nothing. I see nothing on their Twitter. There's nothing that says Elrond Gold. EGLD Multiverse X. Oh, so they renamed. So this is the right one. All right, they got all the coins in circulation. They're at 1 billion market cap. That's nice to see. They got a low supply of only max supply of 31 million. And total supply of 27.6. So all the coins in, a low supply, 1 billion market cap, an older coin. So the question becomes, can it hit 275 and then 1300? Let's see here. What did I say? Oh, 275. Yeah, I'd say so. It's already at 1 billion. Easily hit 7 billion. Not too many tabs open. All right. All right, so if we could hit a new high, hit 1,300 bucks, that would give it a $36 billion market cap and about a 34x almost. But like we said earlier, it needs to get over these targets here. It's not a bad one. It's down at the bottom. It did wake up already, but it's still time to buy in if you like this one. Ort. Phantom is changing to Sonic soon. Well, I don't understand why they do that. When you rebrand and you rename, it's just like, that's so bearish. ABT will be listed on Coinbase soon, or listed on Base soon. Yeah, we went over that earlier. When they're listed on something, it doesn't mean anything really. Peak ONG. Yeah, you guys been asking for a lot. I can't keep up with this. ABT. Yeah, we looked at ABT. It's not doing anything. It tried. It's trying, or it tried. But ABT, PNG, GFI, they're all just doing nothing. But we've looked at it multiple times. Yeah, it has a slight little move here, but it has to stay. It has to have some follow through here, or else it's going to wick again and just stay where it is. Needs to get over 181. Peak Network. Yeah, I'm gonna build a chart for this one offline and do an update on it. High to the low. This thing's curled up here. Looks good. It's right over the 0.5 at 32. But it looks good. A nice little strong move up, a little pullback. That's always bullish. It's just trying to push right now. So if we can hold over 32.7 here, the next stop up, these are 4-hour candles. 16% move to the 618 at 37, 37.5. Once you get over that, you're confirmed going up. 42% to 46. But doesn't look bad. A nice curled up chart here. What's up, Jerry? How you doing? My prediction for Crow, I have no idea. Crow's been disappointing ever since I've been on crypto.com. I don't even know if I think we have a Crow chart, but same thing with Crow. Crow had all those endorsements and partnerships and arenas, and I guess that's fair. It was in a bear market, so. Yeah, Crow just got stuck at the 0.5, hit the trend like a lot of things did. Heavy resistance at 2.1. It's kind of pulling back here. It could be bullisher than we think because, all right, yeah, it looks like the other ones. It got stuck here, so all that momentum had to go somewhere, so it went sideways. So it's just simply go to daily. You could say Crow here is consolidating. And a bullish continuation pattern here. But yeah, all right, so Crow looks good here for a move. Once you get over the 0.5 at 2.1, you'll break back over the trend. You're in good shape. And then over 30, confirmed this move down and over and sideways is all done with. And then Crow, a new high on Crow would give it a 56.8 billion market cap to $2, 214. So Crow can potentially do a 12x almost. I have no idea what people say it's going to, but that's what I see here. Yeah, we're coming up on 3 hours here. Jeez. Crow to $2 to $3. Okay, so that kind of lines up. $2 would be a good target. Did I miss one? Damn, I missed a super chat. Charlie for 2 again says, can you do slime on base, the blue one? Yeah, we can go do slime. See, we have 40 people in here still. We have 63 altogether. A whole bunch of people on Twitter now. And now it's time to get off. But yeah, I'm sorry I missed that. I didn't see it. We must have been talking about something else. Slime on base. Let's see here. Slime on base here. Let's see what we can find. The blue one. I guess you mean this one, huh? Just a slime, okay. This one's got a lot of wicks all over it. It's bullish right now, but it's not a. I don't know what to do with this chart, to be honest. 70K market cap. Damn. Could be a good play. Only a 70K market cap. It's got 28K of locked liquidity. It's at almost 16,000 holders. She's pumping right now. Really, the only thing I can do, I guess, is go from this wick here to the bottom, just to give you something to watch. It's over the 0.5, coming up on the 794 area at the 618. If you can break through that and actually hold and not wick on this thing, which lately it's been making the higher highs off of the wick and it's curling up here. It's holding over the 382. It's over the 0.5. So as long as you're over 5.8, 7.9 is the price to beat. And then low market cap, this one. Let's see if it can spawn in a candle for you. It's going to spike all the way up here and do almost a 6x up to 3041. Just keep in mind, there's people sell this one when it spikes up. So it's going to spike up overnight for you. I appreciate the 2 again. I don't even know where I am in the chat. Yeah, I think we're going to end it there. I've been on here for almost 3 hours. I got to go figure out the plans for tomorrow. I didn't turn any of the lights on, so the house is completely dark. It got dark on me. All I see is my computer screen and my phone. But I appreciate you guys coming in here every day. It means a lot. I appreciate the super chats, the support. I don't know what you guys' plans are for tomorrow, but at some point I will get back on a live stream. It'll probably be it'll be like today, later in the day, something like that. But yeah, we'll just leave it there. So with that being said, have a good one, everyone. I appreciate everyone coming in here. And hopefully everyone has a good Thanksgiving tomorrow. Hope you guys get with your families, you're blessed, and have a good day. And I'll see you tomorrow in the live stream at some point. And hopefully some of you guys' coins will pump overnight and tomorrow. That way you'll have an even better Thanksgiving, that is. I hate when I'm trying to talk and my phone's beeping away. Trying to talk and read at the same time. All right. As Econ says, have a good one. Have a good one, everyone. I appreciate you guys being in here. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.